had to return my Osmo Action 5 and get the Osmo Action 4 because my laptop is a POS, and because of the Action 5 you can only record the videos in HEVC, which means the codec that's for Action 5 is H.265, whereas the Action 4 you can record in H.265 or H.264, which is better for older laptops like mine. So when I was trying to process the Action 5 videos, it was taking forever, it was slowing down my laptop, just couldn't do it. So I returned the Action 5 and got the Action 4. So let's go for a ride. Okay folks, welcome back. The DJI Action 4 is on the helmet now. I don't think there's any difference in video quality. Really, the only difference is that DJI 5 only lets you record in H.265, which sucks for my laptop, and also it's the Action 4 doesn't have internal storage, which is fine, whatever. But besides those two things, the camera is the same, right? The other big difference was, well, the reason I switched back to, or returned my DJI 5 and got the 4 was because the price difference is crazy. I paid $300 for this, and I paid $500 for the other one. So, you know, that's a $200 savings, right? And I just couldn't pass that up. So this company, this online company had a deal, right? Usually $4.19. They had it on sale for $2.99. I was like, hell yeah. So I went to Best Buy to see if they would match it. They're like, oh yeah, we'll match it. Then when I actually showed them the price, they're like, no, we can't do that. Best Buy will be losing money, blah, blah, blah. I was like, you sure, man? You can't do it? I'm already here. They're like, no, we can't do it. Which I think is a complete BS, because online they said they will pretty much match anybody except for Facebook Marketplace and, you know, private sale and stuff like that, right? So I don't know. Best Buy, I feel like you guys cheated me. Hopefully my audio is good. Even on DJI 5, the audio wasn't best. I think it's because of my mic, my lavalier mic. I think I need to get a better one. This is some cheap stuff I bought from Amazon a long time ago. I think I need to switch it. Oh, there it is. Looks like a 996 non-turbo. The funny thing is, I've been reviewing or watching a lot of videos about the 996, the turbo version. And I think that's one Porsche that I can afford. So somebody please start me a GoFund. Oh, he likes riding his Porsche, doesn't he? He's not messing around. Chicken on the way. Calgary's most greasiest chicken. Don't ever say I didn't show you guys my beautiful city. Here it is. Calgary skyline. Got the Bull River running through there, mountains in the back. That's the beauty, y'all. That's the beauty. Look how lovely these trees are. Makes this whole neighborhood, I mean the whole street, just so much nicer.